Hare Krishna everyone. Yes. So previous video we have learned introduction to the Tihai. Okay. For the slow beat, I showed you also how this Tere Khe Ta Jha, Tere Khe Ta Jha is played. Now let's try to apply this in the Mangal Arti Hare Krishna. Okay. So as I told, it can be applied once the lead singer completes, before the follower recites, or both when they complete, then we can apply. Okay, let's try. So now you try to pick up also. Okay, when I sing Hare Krishna mantra, you should be able to pick up playing the Das Paira Tal. Simple idea is pay attention to Kartal. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So your ding, ding, ta. That ta should match with either one or the third beat of the Kartal. That is the easiest way to match. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. See, Rama Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Jha Jha, Tere Khe Ta Jha, Tere Khe Ta Jha, Tere Khe Ta Jha. Got it? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Purposefully I made it slow. I sang also slowly, then to make you understand where exactly we have to put that Jha Jha, Tere Khe Ta Jha, Tere Khe Ta Jha, Tere Khe Ta Jha. But in kirtan, the trick is always follow the kartal. Whenever kartal pair does like this, accordingly. And once we end playing the Tihai, then how to pick up again? Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. See, here I didn't play Tihai, because even if you don't play Tihai, the kirtan can go on. Tihai is applied to enhance the beauty of the kirtan. So this is how you can apply the slow beat Tihai. We can try one. We can take one more example. Okay, let's say Tulasi Arti Tune. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama So like this, you try to take different examples of the kirtan and try to apply the Tihai. That's all for the slow beat Tihai application in kirtans. Now next will be medium fast, okay, which is bhajanita. In that I will show you first the Tihai, the bowl, the technical matras, and then I will show you the application. Then we will move to fast beat later. But till now, whatever we have learned, please practice it. Hare Krishna.